Mass defects in the universe create space-filling matter. In fact, the entire universe is filled with a type of matter. When a particle, such as an electron, travels through space, it will constantly collide with the tiny particles of space-filling matter. So, a particle cannot travel in a straight line. In fact, a particle, because of the constant collision, a particle travels in a wavy path. So, particles or beams can constructively or destructively interfere each other. This explains the wave-like behavior of matter.